Happy Women's Day from Roop family. I am Nilanshi Rastogi and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the special session on Women's Day with our plant heads. Women's Day, celebrated every year on 8th March. This day is symbolic of the historical journey women around the world have taken to better their lives. So, on this day, let us hear the thoughts of our leaders regarding the women workforce and their goals to increase the population of women workforce in their plants.
Welcome, sir, in this special session on Women's Day. So, should we start with the interview questions, sir?
Sure, but before you need to tell me, how are you today?
I'm very good, sir.
Okay, you can start with the questions.
So my first question is, what does International Women's Day means to you?
Number one, I think it's a celebration in India. It's a fresh day for all the people around. It's basically a good day for all the young women around in the company. I think these new generations which is there in our company, people like you, are now addressing the quality questions which is there. They are trying to prove themselves better, and I think they are able to prove them in such a way that they make us feel that they are completely equal with us, with the men who are working them. That's how I feel about this Women's Day.
Okay, sir. Sir, if there one message you want to give men out there to make Roop Auto a better place for women to coexist?
Yes, it's a simple, straightforward answer. We are because of women, and and it is our duty, our moral responsibility to respect them, to regard them, to appreciate them for what they are doing for us. If I talk about the people like people like you who are working for us now at Roop Automotives, I would say I would ask all the men who are working with me that you are out of a comfort level and trying to do the best for the company and also do the best for yourself. I appreciate it, and this is the message I would like to give to all the men who are working with us.
Okay, so in line with these thoughts, I wanted to ask you a message for upcoming engineers, female engineers, and co-workers from your side.
Engineer is somebody who has a lot of common sense. That's what I define an engineer. So anybody, I think people should work on their common sense, and it's how they place them in a particular situation, and they are able to, maybe a problem they are able to solve, or they are able to achieve a target what they are looking for. I think that's the simple message I could give out today.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir. The last question I wanted to ask. So, what are your personal goals to increase the number of women workforce in the plant?
I think I would dream for the day when my both ships would have women worker. So I think if today I have X number of women workers, I think it's close to 40 now, right now. So it would be somewhere doubling them to 80, where I could manage working in both the ships. That's what I'm thinking for the near future.
Okay, sir. All the best for your goals, sir. And thank you for giving us your thoughts regarding Women's Day. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.